From Wall Street to Main Street, this is LALATE.
It's a big day here on crypto with a lot of coins going sideways, but Bitcoin going to $51,000. Bitcoin is trying to make that run back to 60,000 from the summer right now. Can it do it? On this recording, we'll go over the top cryptocurrency picks of 2021 and which coins are going up and which are going down. Ethereum heading to 4,000. Can it do it? I'll have the latest detail on it as well. Solana on fire, up another 14% after an incredible run all the way from $40, now trying to hit to $140 in less than 7 days. You heard me right. Doge sliding down to 30 cents. We have a Polygon sliding down to $1.63. Aave taking a big tank in a very big dramatic drop. Then we have Polygon as well. And then we'll be looking at a lot of coins like Decentraland holding at $1. It looks like it's down, but it's not down that much. SushiSwap sinking. And then we'll be looking at a lot of coins across the board. Meantime, what you need to understand is whether we are in bull or bear for these altcoins. Clearly, we are bull for Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Solana. But what about everything else? And whatever happened to that strange thing over the weekend where everything was 8 hours earlier? It's still happening today. We're buying trading opportunities. I know it may look like it's a Monday going into a Tuesday, but is this really a Tuesday going to Wednesday? I have all the incredible details in this recording. And this is crypto here on LALATE, so subscribe. 400,000 subscribers a YouTube record. I want you part of this family. Hit that subscribe button right now. Fastest growing cryptocurrency channel. Like the video and consider becoming a member. Let's get to the details. Coins are going sideways, and they shouldn't, because this is technically Monday. I mean, you look at the calendar, it's Monday. But if you look at what happened over the weekend, it's technically not Monday. It's technically Sunday. Why? What's going on here? Well, what happened was that we've had several weeks over the last few months where everything is just 8 hours earlier in trading activity. Coins generally hit their highest price point at noontime Saturday, their lowest price point at Sunday at 4 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. This is what they usually do. They start to trend up Sunday night, then hit their highest price point by Saturday at noontime, then come back down Saturday afternoon into Sunday, continue to devalue until Sunday about 5 o'clock, lowest price point of the whole week after the highest price point on Saturday. And then Monday is the second biggest highest day of the week. Then Tuesday is a bloodbath. And then we sort of repeat this. Wednesday and Thursday is sort of all over the place. So what happened this weekend? The same thing that happened last weekend, just a little bit more severe. Everything happened 8 hours earlier. So that high point on Saturday happened on Friday. The low point of Sunday happened on Saturday. So Sunday was a very nice up day, which it's not supposed to be. Why? Because Sunday's a down day. Sunday exhibited Monday traits on Sunday. Again, everything's 8 hours earlier. So now that we're really on Monday going into Tuesday, what's happening on Monday? Coins are going down. Excuse me? You're not supposed to go down on Monday. But guess which coins are going down and which coins are going up? The coins that really need to go up are going down today. The altcoins, the bear coins that are not doing well over the last few weeks are going down today after they really didn't deliver a lot over the weekend. They're going down today. And then the bull coins that have been going up are going up again. Yeah, so the coins that don't really need to go up anymore are going up more, and the coins that need to go up are not going up, they're going down. Let's understand where this market is. Bears and bulls. What is a bear market? Things not appreciating. Bull means up. The thing that I show viewers on this channel is that bear does not mean you're down every single day. In fact, you don't even have to be down. You can just be flat. Bull means you're getting appreciation of your asset. You buy it at $10, suddenly it's worth 12 or 15 or 18. Bear can mean you buy it at 10 and it's $9.99. It's $9.80. It's just flat. It's the same price. Bear does not mean it falls all the way to $7 in 10 seconds. So what's going on today? Let's look at the coins. Let's start with the bull coins. What are the bull coins? They are Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Solana. Solana. I just gotta laugh. Solana's up another 14% today, folks. It's just crazy. It's cray-cray. It's up 14% every single time I'm recording a video. This is a coin that was $30 just, a week ago. Now it's $140. It went from 40 to 80, which was double its money. Then it went from 80 to 60 now. I mean, it's now a 400% in just like 7 days practically. It's crazy. I've been saying, you know, if you own it, hold it. I know one viewer who Yaya bought it cheap. I think she bought it 30, and I think she sold it 130. I don't know if she bought it again. So she got her profit. But if you own it, I would not sell it. But I would not buy it if you don't own it. It just smells to me like AMP 2.0. It just smells to me like AMP 2.0. What do I say about Solana? Is that if you've been investing for a long time, whether it's stocks or crypto, things don't always go up. They don't always go up. They eventually go down. And a lot of people that get new into crypto that have never been in stocks just sort of think everything always goes up. It's just always going to be an up day. I was flipping through the channels because of the reruns, because of Labor Day weekend, and there was an old Shark Tech episode. And Mark Cuban had a line in there that said, everyone's a genius in a bull market and everyone's an idiot in a bear market. Yeah, it's very easy to just say I'm a genius because everything's up. Yeah, everything's up. Just buy because it's all up. And then when it's down, it's, oh, how do I make money? Yeah, so you look like a genius when you're buying Solana yesterday. It's up another 14%. But you may not look like a genius in 2 days from now if it tanks 30%. So there's Solana. Let me just show you Solana. I have nothing else to say about it except it's just crazy. It's just crazy. This is a lifetime chart. So let me put my mouse where it is right now. It's heading to 140. It's just out of control. All right, let me go to something normal. Bitcoin. Here's Bitcoin. So Bitcoin's having a great day. Money going to Tuesday. Started the day at 50. Going to 51. Almost made. Did it make it to 52? Let's see. Did it make it to 52? No, I don't think it did. It depends on the platform, but at least on Gemini, what you're looking at a 1-day chart. It's green because it's up, and my mouse is in the chart, so it's ranging. So let's look at the 7-day chart on Bitcoin. Very good. Now, this is why we talk about resistance levels on this channel. Resistance levels are where an investment does not want to go above that price or below a price. And you can see the resistance level where coins just sort of go to a level and then they stall out and they don't want to break out of that resistance level. They don't want to go below a level. They stall out. They don't go below the level. I had told you for 5 days, 50,000 was the resistance level. I said Bitcoin at 50,000 is the resistance level. And guess what? It broke through it. So now you're at 51. At this point, we need to see if 51 holds for a full day. And if it does, then we're going to have to find the next resistance level. At the moment, it's stalling at 51. Let's see. Let's go back to the 1-day chart. Yeah, so it got to 51, stalled out. It did not want to go to 52, which is fine. But it has now found its new resistance level, which is 52. It did not want to get to 52. Why am I saying resistance level? Because look, it ran up, and then stalled out. It didn't want to go any higher. That was it flattened out, didn't want to go higher. So that's a new resistance level, 52,000. Great news. Again, let's look at the 7-day, let's look at the lifetime of this chart. This coin did go to 60,000, almost 63,000 in the summer, but it was not sustained at 60,000. It was basically a $55,000, $56,000 coin in May, and it sustained that. So Bitcoin has another $6,000 to run. That is not the case on Ethereum because Ethereum is at its May levels now. Now, you may know Ethereum did go to a massive spike of, I can't even grab it with my mouse. I think it's about $4,100 in May. But look, that was not sustainable. Ethereum was basically a $3,700 sustainable coin in May. So where is Ethereum the high of today? 3,900. So it's above its May sustainable levels. No other coin anywhere in the cryptocurrency space is above its May sustainable levels. What again am I calling sustainable levels? Where a coin basically stayed for a few days. I don't mean it popped for 20 minutes at 60,000. I mean it sustained for a few days. And Ethereum is now above its sustained levels of 3,700 from May. Now, did Ethereum have a resistance level that it broke through? Yes. So I've been detailing that a lot on this channel. Ethereum's resistance level was really at that 3,400, and then it just sort of ran. There is no resistance level if you see in this chart. It stalls out a little bit. You may have, I may have said 3,700 was a resistance level. If it breaks through that, then it's going to run. It looks like it's running $2,000 increments and then stalling, which is fine. I mean, it's 34, then it stalls. Then it's 37, it stalls. Then it's 39, it stalls. That means its next run could be 4,200. Great news for Ethereum and Bitcoin. Let's now understand the bear market. So let's go to the bear coins. Here is Doge. Yeah, it's a one-day chart. Yeah, it's green. But it started at 31 and it's at 31. Where's the 7-day chart? You're not going to learn much from a 7-day chart from 27 to 31 because you need to look out to almost 3.5 weeks ago, which is when Doge was 31. Doge has merely just repeated itself, and it's still below its levels of the last market crash. So this is not a good chart for anyone who has owned the coin since about June. It hasn't appreciated 1 penny. It is a good chart for someone who bought it cheap, like in the 20s or something. But guess what? It ain't going above 31. Doge has its own resistance level. It is absolutely 31, 32. It does not want to go above it. Now, the good news is it's not devaluing. So it has a very high resistance level. It's just staying 29 to 31. That's fine. But a lot of people would say, no, I don't want that. And I would probably be among the group. I don't want something that just goes up and down 10 cents every day. I'm not interested in something like this. Now, Polygon getting very bizarre. It's sort of hard to understand what's going on with Polygon. Polygon was a coin that got very badly hit by the last market crash. And it came down a lot. It came down to 78. 4 weeks ago, it was hovering at $1, which is horrible because before the market crash, it was a $1.50 coin. So it's hovering at $1 3 weeks ago. Then it had this massive run all the way to 166. You see what's happening? It can't get above there. 166 to 130 to 166 to 130. What should you think about this? Trading, obviously. You buy at 130, it goes to 166. That's, a 30-cent move on a dollar coin. That's 30% valuation upside. That's better than Bitcoin or Ethereum are doing at the moment. That's a lot of upside. But again, it's in a range. It's in a 30-cent range. Here you see it again, 30, 60, 30. It's a little higher, 70. But that is not 7-day. I got to go out further to show you what it's doing most recently. $1.70 now going down to $1.60. So it clearly has a resistance level, $1.70. I'd be very careful of Polygon. But if it gets cheap, I'd buy it. Now here's Aave. Started the day at 422, down to 400. So it's lost $20 on a $400 coin, which is 5% in just a few hours. That's not good on a Monday. Now, understand, it's had a nice run. It's had a resistance level here, 400, then a resistance level here at 420. It does not want to get above 420. Let's look out further, see if we see anything else. Yeah, this is not good. This is just basically a flat run in a very long duration. Let's look out further than that. Yeah, so it did get from 200 to 300. That's where our viewers made a lot of money. But it's not wanting to get above 420. So it's not giving us a lot of play in this 400 range. And it wants to want to go lower. There's Polygon again as well, which we covered earlier in this video. It's very, very strange situation. And so let's analyze this going forward. What should we say? First, let's analyze this week. This week is very peculiar. Now, what is my opinion of the situation as to why this weekend is acting very peculiar? A lot of things. One, this is the first time that this crypto universe, which is very robust now, has a lot of people buying in, a lot of videos being made about crypto, that has a 3-day weekend like this. We haven't had something like this. Remember the July 4th weekend? We were in the midst of a very, very bad bear market at that point for crypto. As in July, it was a very bad situation. Things were very, very cheap. So a lot of people did not want to buy. They didn't think there was a good market. Now you have Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Solana doing well, and you have some sporadicness like Cardano doing well. So people are very interested back into crypto space because there's a lot of things to get you excited about. And that's the first one. The second one is, my opinion is, September is a very big a month for investment activity. Everyone knows that the stock market has its lowest volatility in the month of August, lowest activity in the month of August because a lot of traders are gone. Trading desks are closed, people are on vacation. And when we're talking about cryptocurrency, we have the same issue in the month of August. A lot of people, Europeans, are on vacation. They get paid vacations, they go on vacations, and they're just gone. And so when you're coming back in September, kids are going back into school, the school season starts, a lot of people are back on their computer, they're ready to make some money. I think there's a lot of other factors involved. A lot of enhanced unemployment benefits are ending this week. A lot of people may need money, and they just sort of see crypto as the opportunity, the golden egg, to sort of get some extra dollars in the bank to pay some bills. So those strange economic factors are why this weekend is so weird. This weekend is just very weird. This is Monday. And, however you see it, this is Monday going into Tuesday. This is where the altcoins should be running really well. They're not. 90% of altcoins are down today, and they're down not well at all. They're down 5%. And so then you would say, okay, well, did they give the update yesterday? Yeah, but not that much. Not that much. So these altcoins are really not delivering. And we have then the bull coins, Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Solana. What is my opinion of the situation? Just be very careful and really focus on trading. I would just be very, very focused on trading. I want you to understand that you need to be very cautious because there's a lot of macroeconomic factors out there that could impact crypto badly in the next couple of weeks. And macroeconomic factors impact stocks, and they certainly impact crypto. The worst thing you could ever think with crypto is that crypto is just crypto. No. If you see massive resurgence of Delta that causes bad downturn of the economy, bad economic factors on top of the bad job creation number last Friday, you see anything about unable to handle runaway inflation or anything like bad impacts from the eviction moratorium being ended, those type of macroeconomic factors could really hit crypto bad because they're going to hit stocks. The third market crash, which was really gauged by the People's Republic of China, actually happened the same day that the stock market was crashing. I always say that the People's Republic of China, when it crash crypto, they do it exactly when they know the market is weak, and they hit on a day in which the stock market was falling because the economic factors were really bad, and I think the stock market was down 500 points before crypto crashed, and then crypto crashed. If you see the stock market go down 300, 400, 500 points because of bad economic factors, that could impact crypto as well. So let's now look at this week. Monday going into Tuesday. Tuesday's a bloodbath. You know Tuesday's a bloodbath. So when is the bloodbath? Is the Tuesday bloodbath going to happen on Monday? I don't know. We don't see coins down a lot at the moment, but the day is still young. So I want to see if the Tuesday manifests itself on Monday or manifests itself on Tuesday. My prediction is the following: that since we have a very bifurcated market, you're going to see the Tuesday events happen on Tuesday and Monday. So we're going to have a down day on Monday and Tuesday for the coins that are not doing well. The coins that are doing well are going to just sort of give you something on Monday, a little bit up, and maybe a little bit up on Tuesday. The key day, again, is this Wednesday and Thursday. Wednesday and Thursday are sort of up or down days. We need to see the altcoins give us a big run on the Wednesday or Thursday, and then give us a big Saturday. If they don't do this, then we're out yet a fourth week since that pop of 3 weeks ago, which was a very big pop. That was the pop when, Polygon went from 80 cents to $1.60 in just a few days. We're then several weeks out, and it's just going to add up. Let's go into a split screen and understand where the market is by comparing which coins are up the most at the moment and which coins are not. It always helps us with looking at coinmarketcap.com because while you may not be buying these coins, they may be on ancillary exchanges overseas. It at least gives you an indication of where the market is. Here's coinmarketcap.com. It shows us that the market is up 2%, so it's a relatively flat market. Bitcoin is up 2% today. Ethereum's flat. Bitcoin is up 7% for the 7 days. Ethereum is now up 21% for the 7 days. That's a lot. What's the best performing coin today? OMG Network up 26%. FTX token up 18%. MDX up 16%. Phantom, there we go again, up 16% again. Solana up another 15%. Wow, I think I said 14% when this video started. It's gone up another percent just since I pressed record. Perpetual up 12%, Quant 11%. Anything reoccurring in there? Solana and Phantom continue to deliver day after day big runs. Phantom is a $1.43 coin, so that'll draw a lot more people to buy it than a Solana that's $157. $157. It's just, it's incredible. What is the worst performing coin today? Nothing we really recognize this channel, although I covered audio a few times. Avalanche is down, but nothing's down a lot, just 3, 4, 5%. What's the best performing coin of the last 7 days? Phantom, 69%. Are we going to see Solana there? Yeah, 50%. And the rest of the coins, OMG Networks, FIDM, nothing we would cover on this channel. What's the worst performing coin of the last 7 days? CeeLo, Airweave. Oh, CeeLo is down 40%, 35%. The rest of the coins are down about 2-3% for the 7 days. So it's been relatively a flat 7 days. You don't see coins up a lot, and you don't see coins down a lot. Very, very strange market. Takeaway, look for those trading opportunities. Look for those trading opportunities. Don't be buying Ethereum and Bitcoin at these price levels, number one. Don't be buying Solana at these price levels, number two. Number three, look for those trading opportunities. Those trading opportunities which you manifest themselves in a range. If a coin is going in a range of up and down 30 cents on a dollar coin, you know that's 30 cents. You know that's 30%. Buying at the bottom and selling at the top. If you see that the coin has done this range 2 times, that's easy. If it's done 3 times, that's a no-brainer. If it's done 4 times, that is a give me. If it just keeps on going up and down in this trading range, wait for that drop and then buy it. There's a lot of coins that are now trading in a trading range, and that helps because in a relatively flat market that just simply goes up and goes back down, which is a bear market, of course, for these altcoins, that gives you the trading opportunity. Those trading opportunities may take you outside of what I usually recommend, which is day trading, which is 24-hour or day and a half position, or flipping, which is 3-day position. You may have to stay in the position a little bit longer if it's not giving you that 30%, if it's only giving you 5 or 6% after just 3 days, but it's still up. Remember, if it's still up, you want to stay in there. So much happening across the board. We're going to see what happens tomorrow. I'm very excited to see what happens Wednesday and Thursday because I just think this is a strange market. I think that Bitcoin will be going higher. I think that Ethereum will go higher. I think that a Solana will go higher, and then something's going to happen. I just see it happening. And then the rest of the altcoins, I have no idea. They just need to figure out where they want to go. And when they do, they're all going to head that direction. They're going to figure out whether they're all going to go up or whether this has just been a nice sort of sideways few weeks and they're heading back lower. We'll see what's happening next. And 2 shows per day, 10 a.m. mornings crypto live on air, direct from Santa Monica, and 3:45 p.m. Pacific Standard Time starts our overnight crypto broadcast that runs for 15 hours. So subscribe. 400,000 subscribers, a YouTube record. I want you part of this family. Hit that subscribe button right now. Like the video, 3,000 likes, and consider becoming a member. Stay informed, stay focused, have a beautiful day. Look forward to seeing you. Drop in the live chat your questions, and I'll answer you as well. And stay with